Hey kids, have you ever seen a flash of light in the sky and then heard a big boom? That's lightning and thunder. But what are they and why do they happen together? Let's find out. Lightning is like a giant spark of electricity in the sky. It happens inside storm clouds, which are full of tiny water droplets and ice crystals. These tiny particles bump into each other as they move around in the cloud. When they bump, they create electrical charges. Some particles become positively charged and others become negatively charged. Think of it like this. Some particles become like tiny magnets with a plus sign, and others become like tiny magnets with a minus sign. The plus signs gather at the top of the cloud, and the minus signs gather at the bottom. This separation of charges creates a huge electrical imbalance, like a battery getting ready to release its power. The cloud is now supercharged. The negative charges at the bottom of the cloud are attracted to the positive charges on the ground. The ground can be anything: trees, buildings, or even you. When the attraction between the negative charges in the cloud and the positive charges on the ground becomes strong enough, zap, lightning strikes. It's like a giant electrical bridge forms between the cloud and the ground. This bridge is super hot, hotter than the surface of the sun. The lightning travels incredibly fast, much faster than you can blink your eyes. It lights up the sky with a bright flash that we see as lightning. Thunder is the sound that lightning makes. When lightning strikes, it heats the air around it very, very quickly. This superheated air expands, or pushes outward, very rapidly. This rapid expansion creates a shock wave, like a sonic boom from a fast airplane. That shock wave travels through the air to our ears, and we hear it as thunder. It's a loud, rumbling sound that can be quite scary. Light travels much faster than sound. Think of it like watching a race. You see the runners cross the finish line before you hear the crowd cheering. Lightning is like the runners, and thunder is like the cheering crowd. The light from the lightning reaches our eyes almost instantly. But the sound of the thunder takes longer to travel through the air to our ears. That's why we see the flash of lightning first, and then hear the rumble of thunder a few seconds later. You can actually estimate how far away a thunderstorm is by counting the seconds between the lightning flash and the thunder. For every 5 seconds you count, the storm is about 1 mile away. So, if you see lightning and then count to 10 before you hear thunder, the storm is about 2 miles away. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. It's important to stay safe indoors during a thunderstorm. The best place to be during a thunderstorm is inside a building or a car. Stay away from windows and doors. Avoid using electronic devices that are plugged into the wall, like computers and TVs. Lightning can travel through electrical wires. If you're outside and can't get inside, stay away from tall trees and metal objects. Crouch down low to the ground, but don't lie flat. Lightning happens all over the world, but some places get more lightning than others. Areas near the equator, like Africa and South America, tend to have more thunderstorms. Some mountains also get a lot of lightning because the air is more unstable at higher altitudes. It's a powerful force of nature. Scientists are still learning about lightning and thunder. They use special instruments to study thunderstorms and try to understand how they work. Lightning and thunder are amazing examples of the power of nature. They remind us that the world around us is full of incredible forces. While they can be scary, they are also fascinating to learn about. Understanding how they work helps us to stay safe and appreciate the wonders of the natural world. So next time you see a flash of lightning and hear a rumble of thunder, remember the amazing story of how they are created. Did you enjoy learning about thunder and lightning? If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos just like this one. Share this video with your friends so they can learn about the amazing power of nature too.